If your students keep forgetting what you teach, this is for you. You explained it well, they understood in class, and the next day everything is gone. This is when mnemonics are powerful. I remember the 10 Commandments today, not because I crammed it, but because my teacher used a mnemonic I could never forget. And I'm going to show you how to turn those memories into digital flashcards using Google Gemini. I'm only using Google Gemini today because I couldn't get this same results using ChatGPT. And yes, this also works on the free version. So we're going to use a prompt like the one on the screen while we make sure we've selected Canvas under Tools. If you look at my prompt, you can see that some of my numbers don't have further explanation. I could not think of ways to explain it further, but I would just give the AI and see what it comes up with, and then we would tweak as we need. We'll make as many changes till we are fine with the finished results. Okay, so with the tweaks and all, this is the final result. You notice it's an interactive flashcard. So this will mean you have to project your screen or share with your students digitally so they can view their devices. However, if you are teaching a class where they are not used to computers, or you're in a school where computers are not a thing like that, you can decide to print. And if you want to print, then you want to create images. This will not be interactive, but you can always generate the front and back and maybe print on the same page. So to do this, just go to the image tool, put in your prompt again, and it will give you pictures only. So try this with your hardest topic this week and let me know in the comments if it helps. Let's make learning stick. Bye.